Salvador Dali, man. What Salvador Dali did was something called the juxtaposition of incongruity. You know, the merging of the incompatible, taking two things that are mutually exclusive, placing them side by side and finding a single common denominator they share. What Salvador Dali did was he juxtaposed the subconscious with the dream state. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there is a disparity between two objects. There's no commonality. It's like a bicycle and a milkshake. Just two contrasting images that somehow this artist's creativity allowed him to juxtapose these two disparate objects in a cohesive kind of way. It's cohesive juxtaposition. That's why I find surrealism to be a whole different, fascinating phenomenon in art, because a lot of juxtaposition. You see that juxtaposition pervasive in comedy. Mitch Hedberg, where I like to throw out Mitch Hedberg, the surrealistic comedian. He said he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." That's surrealistic absurdity, absurd surrealism. So it's absurd surrealism now. Absurd surrealism is where the surrealism is absurd. There's an absurdity to the surrealism. Like, let's say I have an ice cream hammer. I saw an art, surrealistic art, where this person juxtaposed a hammer and an ice cream, and you call it an ice cream hammer.